Yo. Let's say a word. If you build some time in the youth, it's just a game, brother. Yo, hold on. Yes, chief. Bigger dropout. Big man, you hear me say? Bigger dead. We're gonna make a move tonight. Get any man them. Let's see our word. You the man them up, all up on the game till later. Boss just call, serious business. You have to make a move later. And before that, you have a little rat on it for catch.
You represent
John, what could they?
bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
I finally catch your boy. A long time when I look for you, you know.
Maybe gonna kill me.
Yo,
Bro.
shut up. Panini.
Alright. Yes, please. No shoot me.
Wake up, boy.
So if you talk now? Walanda.
One thing just so is a stomping ground. So they wanna be a real come around. Oh, we still a control the town.